Chicken 65. Half kg boneless chicken. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half tsp of black pepper powder. Half tsp of garam masala. Pinch of red food color. 1 lemon juice. 1 whole egg. 2 teaspoons of maida. 1 tbsp of corn flour. Add chicken in a bowl. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add garam masala. Add maida. Add corn flour. Add red food color. Add lemon juice. Add egg. Mix it well. Marinate it for 30 minutes. 2 chopped green chilies. Few curry leaves. Few chopped garlic. Half tsp of red chili powder. Half tsp of black pepper. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of red chili sauce. Half tsp of soya sauce. Half tsp of tomato ketchup. Heat the oil in a kadai. It's time for frying. Deep fry the chicken. Chicken is perfectly fried. Heat the pan. to tablespoon of oil. Add green chilies and curry leaves. Add chopped garlic. Give a mix. Add fried chicken. Add salt, red chili powder, and black pepper powder. Add tomato ketchup. Add red chili sauce. Add soy sauce. Mix it well. Spicy and juicy chicken 65 is done. Chicken 65 is ready to serve. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.